Song 2. Namaste or Sitaram, pleasant good night to you, ladies and gentlemen. Indeed, it gives me great pleasure to be here, and I want to thank Lakshmi for giving me the opportunity to render a selection on this wonderful occasion of Deepavali. First and foremostly, I want to give a shout out to Swag International Radio and my boy Shama Narayan in Texas. Dhanyavad Bhara. This song that I'm about to sing is glorifying the deities in all her form, and God also in his form. It was originally done by me, Ravi Dalit the Power. I am the original singer of this song. You will find the song on YouTube at Ravi Dalit the Power. You will get the song Muni Muni Day. Recently someone has stolen the song without permission and recorded it. So, please, I want to acknowledge that the song is originally mine and do not participate in copycats. May the Divine Mother bring blessings to each and every one of us on this occasion. May our life be fruitful and bright till the next year, till we regroup again. Oh, Swaha Swabha Namaste Devi Amu Muni Deva Maya Made Muni Muni Deva Maya Made Yamade Yama Uyama Maya Made Yamade Yama Yamade Yamade Muni Muni Deva Muni 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 Deva Maya Made Yamade Yama Uyama Maya Made Yamade Yama Maya Made Yamade Yama Jayanti Kali Mangla Kali Jayanti Kali Mangla Kali Sato Kali Yamade Yama Uyama Maya Made Yamade Yama Maya Made Yamade Yama Jai Ganesh Bhagavan, Jai Ganesh Bhagavan, Ganesh Bhagavan, Jai Ganesh Bhagavan, Ganesh Bhagavan, Jai Ganesh Bhagavan, Yamate Yama, Uyama Yamate Yamate Yama, Yamate Yamate Yama, Jai Jai Dharti Mata, Jai Jai Dharti Mata, Dharti Mata, Jai Jai Dharti Mata, Dharti Mata, Jai Jai Dharti Mata. Vishnu Bhagavan, Vishnu Bhagavan, Vishnu Bhagavan, Vishnu Bhagavan, Vishnu Bhagavan, Vishnu Bhagavan, Yamate Yama, Uyama Yamate Yamate Yama, Yama Yamate Yamate Yama, Yapa. Jai Krishna Bhagavan, Jai Krishna Bhagavan.
Yama, Ladies and gentlemen, that was Robbie Delete the Power one more time. Give a powerful round of applause for him, as that was a great item. And I'm sure that with that performance that has set you in the spirit to celebrate Diwali, that has actually brought you up out of your seats, and of course, it's made you want to do a little dance. I actually felt like dancing just now.